It is day 12 of the Chicken Church project. And it's looking shit. That did not go very well.
We measured once, cut twice.
If you're new to this series, my husband and I are in the middle of building a custom chicken coop that is designed to look like an old church. So we are at the end of day 12. We got the nesting box framed out and we got all the windows framed out. And it's looking, that's all I have to say.
It looks good.
So today is day 13.
I'm gonna be working on the door while Maddie starts putting some board and batten on. It looks pretty damn good.
It looks so good. It's amazing.
Just got the door hung. Maddie's still crack-a-lacking on the board and batten, just one piece at a time. So what I just did was frame out this door for the chicken coop so you'll be able to swing it open.
I have created 4 different designs for the Dutch door, but the deciding factor is my mom. Here's what I've narrowed it down to. So we're going with classic. Another weekend working on the chicken church. My focus is going to be building the Dutch door.
I'm gonna be working inside. Day 49.
49?
Yep.
Close your eyes, girl. Look inside, girl. Let me take you away.
So we've got the width of our Dutch door. These are 36.5 inches, and then we are going to rip a piece with the table saw.
And so I wish that I could stay before the thing could answer me. Well, someone could get the lamp away.
I'm going to start carving out the arch at the top right now.
Well, you don't know what we can find. Why don't you come with me, little girl, on a magic call? You don't know what we can see. Why don't you tell your dreams to me? Fantasy will set you free.
So Logue is working on hanging the door. I'm gonna work on repurposing some old barn wood.
There she stood in the street, smiling from her head to her feet. I said, hey, now, what is this? Now, baby, maybe she's in need of a kiss. I said, hey, what's your name, baby? Maybe we can see things the same.
We made a bunch of progress this weekend and we're starting to wrap up on this project. Should probably start thinking about our next project.
Maybe we should just take a weekend off.
Maybe, probably not.
All right now.